to actually improve at cooking. So you may have used recipes for years and years and found you're not actually getting any better at cooking. And the reason is probably you're not relying on your senses enough, and you're just following the recipe too much. So I think recipes are great for being used as a reference or as a guideline, or when you're first kind of learning stuff. But really you want to focus on learning, for example, instead of following a recipe where it says cook an onion for 5 minutes, instead think of it, actually watch what's happening in the pan, and you see, oh, the onion's going golden. So the recipe actually wants you to cook it till it's golden. And then the next time you need to cook an onion, like, you'll know roughly the time it needs to cook for, but you can just use your eyes. And like the same goes with a lot of other ingredients and techniques and things. Like, for example, say you're stewing meat or braising like a big hunk of meat. Well, you can just do it for the time they tell you to, or you can use that as a guideline and then test to see whether the meat's done. So, for example, for a braise, you go and stick a skewer or something through it so you can feel the texture of the inside, like whether it's difficult to push the knife in or easy, and from that you know like how well done it is. Yeah, so focus on using your senses, so smelling things, touching, tasting. The other ones I can't even remember at this point off the top of my head. And yeah, recipes are only guidelines, don't take them as the Bible.